Okay, 8 divided by 4 equals 2, right? Plus 3 times 2 squared. Now 2 plus 3 equals 5 times 2 squared. Now 5 times 2 squared equals 2 times 2 equals 4, right? Now 5 times 4 equals 20. But this is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because parentheses must be done first, then the multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction, right? So follow the order of operations. Okay. Now let's solve it correctly. Parentheses first. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 4 equals 2, right? Plus 3 times 2 squared. Now multiply first, right? 2 squared equals 2 times 2 equals 4, right? 2 plus 3 times 4. Now multiply first. 2 plus 3 times 4 equals 12, and 2 plus 12 equals 40.